Alright, this is how I'm gonna change the laptop screen from laptopscreen.com. I just ordered one and I received it. I'm gonna try to make a video out of it and show you guys how to change it. First, you have to remove the battery from the laptop. This is a Toshiba Satellite L650d model, and remove the battery. Alright, now you gotta remove these plugs. One, and there's one over here, 2, 3, and 4. You gotta remove those. Let me put this. Okay, they're just here. So there's Phillips screws, 1, 2, 3, and 4 Phillips screws. Use one of those small Phillips screws. I have one of these. This is what I'm going to be using to remove this part of the screen. So removing the 4 screws at the bottom, let them put them aside in a safe place. Okay, now we're gonna pry this open on the sides. It's just clips. And there's 4 screws on this side. There's 1, 2, actually 6 of them. 2, 3, and 3 on this side. Six screws out, and you can just take it out over here. It's a plastic here, just remove that. And that's a stick, remove that, leave it here. This is the old one. And we're gonna put the new one in. So we slide this in. You put it back, tape it back. I guess we have to remove these. Let's put them back the same way, the brackets, and the 6 screws go back in. Okay, I put all the 6 screws in. So 3 over here and 3 over here. Now we will just clip it back. So that's it. Now we just gotta put these 4 screws back and we are almost done. Okay, we are done. The new screen is on. This is the old one, the broken one, nice and dirty. And let's test it out. Alright, the battery is in. Now let's turn the power on. Alright, here we go, it's working. So the display is working, and it took me about 15 to 20 minutes since I had to video it. Otherwise, I would have probably taken it even shorter. So I didn't take this part entirely out because it was kind of, wouldn't let me out. But you don't need to take it out fully. You can just take these 4 screws out, just pry them open. Be careful, you could break it. And there's 6 screws on, 3 on this side, 3 on this side for the bracket, and then the cable in the back. And you remove that, and you just plug it in the way you took it out, and that's it. So we did a full installation of the LCD screen. From LCD screen, for the Toshiba Satellite, the model number is 650d. Here we go, it's working. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching.